Hello, it's Scott Piggin, CEO and founder of Migrate, coming live here from Neisner. I just wanted to share with you, I'm super excited. I've been investing in London since 2002. Back in 2002, all my friends said I was crazy. We just had September the 11th. Everyone told me oil prices were going to go up, interest rates were going to go up, and thus I was going to lose my property, and it was all scaremongering. Well, I bought a 3-bedroom house in Wimbledon with one of my best friends. We converted into a 5-bedroom house. We own it to this day, and to this day it pays us over £1,000 passive income. And it's really where I cut my teeth in the London property market all those years ago. So I've always loved London. We've always tried to invest in London in the good times, because there are swings when there's good times and bad times. And I'm super excited to let you know that we are launching our London solution again now, because we believe the timing is right. And there's 5 reasons why I'm super excited about this pre-launch, which we're launching today. The first one is Brexit. So when you look at Brexit, they always say in life, when there's chaos, there's opportunity. When there's uncertainty, there's opportunity. Warren Buffett says when there's blood on the streets, that's when you get involved. And so while everyone else is necessarily nervous and uncertain about what Brexit represents, I believe that long-term the fundamentals of the UK are sound, and therefore the short-term uncertainty creates tremendous opportunity. The second is that we're buying from a motivated seller. It's someone who's immigrated and wants to get out of the UK and is moving their money to the US, and so we're buying from a motivated seller. The third is that we're dealing with Crestwood Solutions and Property Solutions. They've been managing the property already for more than 2 years. I actually saw the property more than 2 years ago, so we know exactly what the property is all about, the warts and all. We're not going to find out any surprises. We know who the tenants are, we know what the income streams are, we know what the costs are. So we know what we're getting. We're going in with our eyes wide open. We know exactly what we're getting in terms of the investment, which is always great in terms of managing the risk. The fourth thing for me is that it's got multiple income streams. So although we're buying a building and it's freehold, but it's got 3 separate apartments, and it's got 3 separate income streams. Now that again manages risk much better. Rather than one tenant, it's multi-tenanted, which is fantastic. And the fifth reason that I really like is that as an exit strategy, we've got numerous exit strategies. We can sell it on to an investor one day. We could sell it on, to a fund or a REIT, I suppose. But probably the one that I like most is that we could cut it up into smaller flats, which it already is. It's already got title to do that. So rather than selling it as one whole building, we could sell off the leasehold, sell off the 3 flats to moms and pops, who buy emotionally and tend to pay more, which will be a better exit strategy for us over the 5 years. So take a look. It's pre-launching today. The hard launch is only next Friday. People in our closer inner circle and community get access to it first. It's only a small deal. We've only got a £300,000 raise, and so I don't expect it to last too long. So if you are interested in getting into the UK, diversifying, I always say it's very good to be in America, very good to be in England, and other asset classes. You wouldn't have wanted all your money in America when the market fell apart in 2009. You need to be diversified across assets, countries, currencies. And now is a very good time to be getting into England with Brexit, with the uncertainty. The pound is weak. It presents a tremendous opportunity, certainly one that I'm very excited about and wanting to get involved in. I look forward to you joining us and many more good opportunities coming out of London and the UK. One last thing I forgot to mention, which I think is critically important, is that even though I've been buying property in the UK since 2002, I've helped hundreds of people invest in the UK. I didn't realize recently how hard it's been for a foreigner, so anyone not living in England or working in England, to buy property in England. It's virtually impossible. And what I love about the Migrate platform is that we've got a partner on the ground. We've set up the SPV. They've arranged the financing for us, and so basically people can participate in the London residential property market without all the hassle of trying to get a mortgage, without worrying about management or maintenance and trying to look after toilets. It really is a hassle-free way, with a low entry level, to be able to participate in the lucrative London market, which quite frankly is not possible to the majority of people unless they're ultra high net worth, and their investment bank will lend them or give them a mortgage against assets elsewhere, etc. It's extremely, extremely difficult, and even if you can do it, it's very time consuming, whereas this is a click of the button. Click below on the if you'll go to the WealthMigrate website, wealthmigrate.com, and participate if you're keen. As I said, it's not a big opportunity. I don't think it'll last for long. Cheers.